I've now been learning for 3 weeks, and I'm about to have my 4th lesson. So the last week's practice, I was meant to be, playing 4 pieces out of this book. They were Ode to Joy, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, Kumbaya, and I Want to Teach the World to Sing. Did pretty well on most of those. I only missed practice on Sunday, so had a reasonably good run at the week. A couple of major problems. Well, not major problems. The couple of problems I had along the way are the transitioning between bars when actually transitioning within bars when the middle C changes between the left hand and the right hand. So there's a couple of tricky bars in, I think from memory, it's Teach the World to Sing, where the third note or third beat is a C, middle C, on the left hand, and the 4th beat is middle C on the right hand, and it's a bit tricky to sort of make those transitions. The Teach the World to Sing was the trickiest one of the lot. It had a repeat in it, and it took me a while to figure out that I didn't play the second to last bar on the second time through, because that was the repeat. And it also had some notes that Jane hadn't taught me, which is when there's a dot to the right hand side of a note, it extends it by half the amount of that note again. So if you have I'm not sure what you call it, one of the ones that's a double note. If you have a dot to one side, it makes basically 3. I Want to Teach the World to Sing also was a tricky one because it started with one beat in the bar. Jane called it an upbeat. And so the first bar only has 1 note in it, and the last bar only has 3 notes in it, so it sort of offsets itself. But that's a bit tricky to get my head around as well. But anyway, I think I've got most of that sort of reasonably okay. So, not a bad week, and I guess we'll see what goes on in the lesson today.